Hey SweeTings, so today we are making a Blue's Clues cake for a 1-year-old birthday celebration. This was for my 1-year-old son's birthday. This was one of the first few cakes that I started decorating, and like I said before in one of my videos, I believe I am a procrastinator. So I decorated this cake about an hour before the party, so I definitely was rushing. So I definitely learned a bunch of mistakes that I made. So the next Blue's Clues cake that I make will be 10 times better, but I still wanted to share with you guys how I made this Blue's Clues cake. This is a vanilla cake, and I did use food coloring to get that blue marble effect within the cake. Right now I am frosting the cake, and then I will be doing a crumb coat on the cake. As you can see, I am holding the cake scraper incorrectly. It should be between my thumb finger and my index finger so I can have a tight grip on it so I can be able to move it in the direction that I need it to move smoothly. Now it is time to color the buttercream. I'm using a royal blue color, and this is the Sunny Side Up brand from Hobby Lobby. I colored, I only started with a few drops to achieve the color that I wanted for this cake. Instead of turning and stopping like I'm doing here, you should do one full swoop so you won't have those indentations of the cake scraper. As I said, I was rushing for my son's birthday party. I did have guests start to arrive, so I had to hurry up and print out this edible image, cut the edible image, and place it on the cake. I did as best as I could in the short amount of time that I had, but next time I know what to do and what not to do. Hope you learn from my mistakes. Thank you.